Okay, we are going to do day 71, dividing I am losing my mind, not diving. Decimals by decimals. Okay, so let me read you a problem. I'll show you the problem too. It says, building a treehouse, Henry measures some wood at 3 2/10 of a feet. He cuts the wood into 4/10 of a foot pieces for shingles. How many pieces of wood could he cut from the 3 2/10 feet? They've given you here a number line. I'm going to go ahead and tell you, I do not like using number line to solve this problem. If I was building a house or if I was building a tree house, I would not say, hey, let me draw a number line out. To be honest with you, I'd probably pull a calculator out. But if I didn't have a calculator with me, then I would have to do it the old-fashioned way. And there are multiple ways you could do the old-fashioned way. You could also do the Common Core way. This is a Common Core way, but that's not the way that would not be my first choice of Common Core. So I need to look here. Building a tree house at 3 2/10 feet. He cuts it. So this is telling me he cuts the wood into pieces. So that's telling me that's my group size. Not my number of groups, that's my group size. Each size of each shingle that's the size, okay? So my total amount is going to be 3.2 divided by, and each size, group size, is 0.4. Now, I know here, they gave me a number line. I don't have to use that number line. They're not asking me for that. They want me to use it, but I don't have to. And they're talking about feet. Well, measurement, it gets me a little funny. So I'm going to pretend that I'm using money. I'm going to use some imagination. So I'm going to draw $1, $2, $3, $1, oops. That'll be a dime, and that'll be a dime. Okay, I've drawn my total amount out. Okay, so now I need to break it up into 40 cents. How many groups of 40 cents can I make out of $3.20? So I'm going to have to break this up. 10, 10. Oh, sorry, I was about to write 10. 10, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. So I'm going to break all of these up. Okay, draw my total amount out. Okay, so next thing I need to do is because my B is a decimal, then I know my answer is going to be a what? If you said whole number, then you're correct. My answer should be a whole number. I need to make as many groups as 40 cents as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My answer is 8. I've been using money, but I could still say, building a tree house, Henry measured the wood. If he had 3 2/10 feet of wood, and he cut shingles into 4/10, he would have 8 pieces. So you could say 8 pieces of wood that are 4/10 foot long. So 8 pieces of wood that are 4/10 foot long. I guess you could put the word each. Okay? So there you go with that. Now, here's this problem. And we're going to read the problem. I'm going to show you how to do it with money, and then I'm going to show you how to do it on grids, okay? And I understand you may not have grids at home. If you want to print them out at home, that's perfectly fine. You can do it. If not, I want you to just watch. At a store, a bushel of bananas costs $1.35. Individually, each banana costs 15 cents. How much bananas come in a bushel if it costs $1.35? Okay. So, let's see. I'm trying to save paper. My total amount's $1.35, and I'm dividing it by 15 cents. Okay? So, I need to draw my total amount out. 1, 2, 3, 5. I've drawn my total amount out. That's always my first step. Always, always, always draw your total amount out. Now I need to break it up into 15 cents. And that's going to be a little difficult. Okay? So I need to break that up. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay? So, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I have the 3 tenths for the 3 tenths, and then the 5 for the 500ths. Okay, I need to make groups of 15. One group. Now all I have left are tens. So I'm going to have to break this up and put like that. So I'm going to have to break it up again. So one there, one there. I still have these I need to pass out. I'm going to break this up into 5. That can go there. That can go there. I need to break this into 5. Can go there. That can go there. I get that looks a little messy. I'm really sorry, but hopefully you understand what I did. I had to break some dimes down into, dimes down into nickels. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my answer is 9. And because my B is a decimal, I know my C, or my answer, should be a whole number. Now, I want to show you how this works here. Here's my whole. 1, 2, 3. They gave me 2 wholes, but I'm not using 2 wholes. Okay, I'm only using $1.35. So I marked everything out that's after the 35 on the second one. And it's necessary, 100% necessary that I mark it out, because if I don't mark it out, then what happens is I might accidentally use it, and then I could go into debt. Okay, so 15. I know I'm going to have 1, and then one group of 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 4. And you're probably wondering, oh my gosh, you're going too fast, slow down. What I know is I know that 1500ths, excuse me, let me get some coffee. Got a tickle in my throat. What I know is 1 rod equals 10, and then half of another rod is 5. So I'm just making 1 rod and then half of the next. Oh my goodness, I only have 10 here. No, you can still use it. You're just going to go over here. And that's going to become your 7. 10 from here, 5 from there. Problem solved. We should be rocket scientists. 8, and then my last group, perfectly, 9. So that's how you can use it with grids if you want to. You can also use base 10, which I know I've modeled here with money. You can use base 10, not a problem. I think money is the best way to go because money is so real world. No matter what career you're going to have when you're older, you're going to need some money. Okay, come back with any questions you may have. Oh, wait, shout out. Shout out. I'm going to shout out to Miss Reynolds. So, Miss Reynolds, thanks for being a good track partner in my class. When you see this video tomorrow, when you come to school, I want you to go give Miss Reynolds a hug. Not too big of a hug because she's pregnant. Did you know that Miss Reynolds is pregnant? Yes, she's pregnant. So go give her a hug, but not too difficult or not too tight.